Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll continue with the trigonometric transformation formulas for trigonometric functions. Now here the transformation means there are two types, okay? Transformation from product to sum or difference and vice versa. So let's start with those. So here you can see some formulas where the product of cos angle is transformed into their sum or sum and difference, right? So remember this formula. Now again, as I said, cos and cos. So just you have to understand they are addition of cos a plus b and cos a minus b. When simply sign, okay, just sin a sin b, then it is a difference. When angle sin a and cos b both are there, then it is a sine. So sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. And cos A sin B. Then it is sin A plus B minus A minus B. Alright. Now product to sum. Sum to product. So now what will be there? So cos A plus cos B is 2 cos A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2 and so on. So pause the video, write those formulas and you have to remember them. Alright. Now half angle, double angle formula. So cos 2x is nothing but cos square x minus sin square x. That is same as 2 cos square x minus 1, which is also same as 1 minus sin square x, and that is also same as 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. So remember this, very important formulas, all of them, okay, not only this one. So wherever we required the form of cos square or sin square, based on that you have to use this. So we'll solve some question and that time you will understand what I am trying to say. Now sin 2x is sin 2x cos x, 2 sin x cos x, right? Or 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square. And same for this. This is for 3 theta or 3x. Alright. So again it is easy to remember. So 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, and for sin 3x it is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Alright. Okay. So pause the video as I said and note down this. Now half angle formula. So cos x is equals to the same thing, okay, same thing what you have learned here, but this is also half angle formula. Here it is double angle and here it is half of that, right? So the same thing, but here it is written in terms of just x and x by 2 form. So formulas are same. If you remember this, then also you can write this one, okay, these are same. We have to prove this. So I'll take the LHS value, sin 7a cos 3a. So what I'll do, see, we have the formula, okay, I have this formula. Sin a, 2 sin a cos b. So which is nothing but sin a plus cos b plus sin a minus b. So I am going to apply that. Okay, here is my question. So 2 sin a cos b equals to sin a plus b plus sin. Alright. So now to apply this I have to divide and multiply it by 2. So I'll just do that first. So this is called the adjustment what I am doing to apply the formula. Alright. And now I can simply apply this. So I'll get sin 7a plus 3a plus sin 7a minus 3a. Right. So what do we get? Half of sin tan a plus sin 4a. And this is RHS. Very easy question, right? Very easy. Now let's start solving this by taking LHS as cos 2a cos a over 2 minus cos 3a cos 9a by 2. Now to apply the formula, we'll do the adjustment of multiplying and dividing by 2. Alright. Now what do I get? Half. Now here I can say that this is sum of cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So what I'll say, cos 2A plus A over 2 plus cos 2A minus A over 2, and for this again the same thing. So cos 3A plus 9A upon 2 and minus cos 3A minus 9A upon 2, right? Bracket close. So what do we get here? Cos, this is 4n plus 1, so 5a upon 2, correct? Plus cos 3a upon 2, right? Minus, what do we get here? Cos 15a upon 2 minus cos minus 3a upon 2, right? Now cos minus theta is cos theta only, so we can cancel out this and this. Alright, so now I have 1 half cos 5a over 2 minus cos 15a over 2 minus 5a over 2 and then minus cos of 5a plus 5a over 2, and when we simplify I'll get cos of 5a over 2, right, and minus cos of 15a over 2, which is now which says that LHS is equals to RHS, right? Hence we proved it. Alright, okay. Now this is easy question. So LHS, I'll just write this sin 30 value aside, okay, because I know that value. So sin 30 I keep aside, and then I write this. So I can take the combination of any two sine angle. So I can write this as sin 50, sin 10, correct? And then I'll just make a group of this sin 70. Alright, now I have the value of sin 30, which is 1 half. Now to make an adjustment, I'll just make this as 2 sin 50 degree, sin 10 degree and sin 70, right? Okay, then I'll just apply the formula. So 1 half, 1 half into 1 half I can write 1/4, and here this is 2 sin. So I'll just write this as cos of 50 minus 10 and then minus of cos of 50 plus 10, right? And then sin 70. So what do we get? 1/4, and this is cos 40 degree, right? Minus cos 60 degree into sin 70. Now I have the value of cos 60, so I can apply that first. So what do we get? I applied the distributive property also, so I can say cos 40 degree sin 70 and then minus, this is 2, sorry, 1/2. So 1/2 of sine 70, right? Now again I have to do some adjustment for this. So I can say 2 times sine 70 cos 40 degree minus 2 times 1/2 of sine 70, right? And then I'll get 1/8 of, now I can apply the 2 sine into cos formula. So sine plus sine. So I can say sine 70 plus 40 plus sine 70 minus 40 minus sine 70. Right? Now when I simplify this, so what do I get? 1/8 of, now this is sine 110 degree, right? Plus sine 30 minus sine 70, correct? Now sine 30 value I know, which is 1/2 of sine 180 minus 110, sorry, 180 minus 70, correct? Pi minus theta form, minus 1/2 minus sine 70. So I get 1/8 times sine 70 plus 1/2 minus sine 70, which is nothing but 1/16, which is RHS, right? So we proved it. Alright. So be careful which identity you have to apply and how to solve that. So here I applied pi minus theta value, right? Now very interesting question. Okay, so let's start doing this. So I'll start with this. M upon n is equals to sine theta plus 2 alpha upon sine theta. Okay, now here if you see, this is componendo dividendo rule. Okay, so I can apply that. So m plus n, m minus n. So I have applied the componendo dividendo rule. So I have to do the same thing on the right hand side. So what I'll write this as sine theta plus 2 alpha plus sine theta upon sine theta plus 2 alpha minus sine theta. Now sine theta plus 2 alpha plus theta upon 2 and cos theta plus 2 alpha minus theta upon 2, right? Upon 2, this is sine minus sine. So I have to write cos first. So cos theta plus 2 alpha plus theta upon 2 and sine theta plus 2 alpha minus theta upon 2. You have to mention that which identity you are applying. Okay. Now 2 is getting cancelled out and I have to simplify both of them. So what I can write here in the numerator, this is sine 2 theta plus 2 alpha upon 2. So 2 will get cancelled out. So I can write this as sine theta plus alpha, right? Then cos. This is theta cancelled out and just alpha I'll get. Then here what I am getting, cos theta plus alpha and sin alpha. Now which is nothing but tan theta plus alpha cot alpha, which is, we have start with RHS, right? We have start with RHS, so this is nothing but LHS. Hence we prove the question. Alright. Now one more interesting question. So we'll start with LHS and I start doing the adjustment and then I'll write. Okay, so 1/2 and then I'll write 2 cos 2a cos 3a minus 2 cos 2a cos 7a plus 2 cos a cos 10a over again the same thing. So 2 sin 4a sin 3a minus sin 2a sin 5a. So cos 5a plus cos a, then this is minus and then again what I can say, cos 9a plus cos 5a plus cos 7a plus cos 9a whole upon and cos 5a will get cancelled out. So I'll get cos a plus cos 11a over and minus cos 11a. Now we have to apply the rule again. So I can say 2 cos 11 plus 1. So 12, 12 upon 2, I'll get 6a. And then cos 6a and sin 5a. So when I write this as cot 6a into cot 5a, which is RHS, and we proved it, right? Now we have a sin theta equals to b cos theta. So what I'll do, I'll just write this as, see, sin 2 theta. Okay, so first of all I can say that sin 2 theta equals to, in terms of tan square, so 1 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So basically if I'll find the value of tan theta, I can solve this. So now I can say that sin theta upon cos theta equals to b upon a. So tan theta, I have b over a. Now I can substitute this and I can find the answer of sin 2 theta. So I can say that this is 2 times b over a upon 1 plus b upon a square. And now when I simplify this using the LCM and all, so what do we have? 2b upon a whole upon a square plus b square upon a square. And now when I simplify, I'll get 2ab upon a square plus b square. So this is my answer of sin 2 theta. I hope you understood this, right? Now very interesting question. Okay, we have cos 5a equals to this, we have to prove. So what do? I start with LHS is equals to cos 5a. Now I can write this as cos 3a plus 2a. Now I apply the formula of cos a plus b. So what I can say, this is cos 3a cos 2a minus sin 3a sin 2a, right? Now I can apply the formula of each of them in terms of cos. See, all of them are in terms of cos a. So I can write this. So this is nothing but 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Then this in terms of cos. Cos 2a in terms of cos a is 2 cos square a. Do you remember I told you while showing you the formula? As per requirement, we have to write the formula. So this is what I was talking about. Now minus. Now sin 3a. So sin 3a is what? 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, and then sin 2a is what? 2 sin a cos a. So you have to mention which formula you are using. Okay. So mention that. I am not doing it here. And now I have to open the bracket. So what I will get? 4 2 times 8 cos to the power 6. Now when I simplify this, so I can write this as 8 cos raised to 5a. Now this gives me 10 cos cube a plus 3 cos a minus 6. I can write this as 1 minus cos square a and then cos a plus 8 cos a. I'll get 1 minus sin square a whole square. Again I can simplify this as a minus 10 cos cube a plus 3 cos a minus 6 to 5a minus 20 cos cube a plus 5 cos a. So I'll get the value of RHS. So I'm not writing those steps. Please solve that your own. Okay. I hope you understand this question. Now here in this question, this is very important. Okay. Understand this. So first of all, see, tan x is given. Okay. And they have given that pi less than x less than 3 pi by 2. Now we have to find sin x by 2, cos x by 2 and tan x by 2 value. Now for that we have to decide where the x by 2 angle lying, in which quadrant. Okay, because x angle is lying in the third quadrant. This is third quadrant. So when I divide all of them by 2, so what I'll get? Pi by 2 less than x by 2 less than 3 pi by 4. Okay. So this is nothing but now 3 pi by 4. So second quadrant. Okay. This is talking about tan x value. So tan x is this. So what I can say, sec x is negative in the third quadrant. So this is what? 1 plus 10. So 1 plus 9 over 16. And I'll get minus 5 over 4. After that I can find the value of cos x. So cos x is equals to minus 4 over 5. Now to find this values, so I can use this. Cos 2 theta equals to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now what I can say, to find the cos theta value. So cos theta is equals to 1/2 of 1 plus cos 2 theta and the square root of this. First of all, let me just write this, and now I can use this. So 1/2 of 1 minus 4 over 5. So I'll get minus, so we'll get this as 1 over 10, and therefore what I can say, cos x by 2, right? Cos x by 2 is nothing but minus of 1 over root 10. So this is first value which we are getting. Now sin square x by 2 is equals to 1 minus 1 over 10. This gives me 9 over 10, and now in second quadrant sign is positive. So sin x by 2 is nothing but 3 over root 10. And now I can write the value of 10 x by 2. So which is nothing but negative, right? And this is what? 3 over 1. So which is negative 3, I can say. Correct? So we got all of them, right? All three values. So I hope you understand this question. If you want the solution of any exercise from your textbook, please let me know. I'll just make a video of that. And if you like this, please share with your friends. Thank you for watching.